How to record audio secretly on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to secretly record audio on your Android phone. So let's just get started with the video. So you can go to the Google Play Store application on your device and you can search for apps like background recorder, something like that. And you can just go ahead and download the specific one with good rating. You can look out for, just go ahead and do some research and look out for the app that you think is suitable for you. After you download it, what you can do is you can just go ahead and give the necessary permission. Long press on the app and you can go to the info section at the top. After you go there, you can go ahead and go to permissions, tap on it, and from permissions, head over and give Microsoft phone permission, which is very important. After you complete it, you can even give files and media and phone permission as well. After you do so, you can open up the app. And there are just once you reach over here, go ahead and look out for control section and find the option called record with screen off. That should probably help you record your audio secretly, or you can look up for record in background or some kind of options. And once you do so, you can tap on record button to use the shortcut, and that should help you. And now you can lock your screen and the app will keep recording secretly in the background. So you may follow up those process, and that's how you can secretly record your audio on your Android device. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials.